Unit 10, Part A, Activity 2B. Listen, check, and repeat. 1. Dams. 2. Solar panel. 3. Waves. 4. Windmills. 10, Part A, Activity 3A. Listen to a talk show. Which is the most efficient energy source according to the speaker?
Welcome to the Earth Show. This is a show that highlights some of the things people are doing in order to take better care of the environment. Here with us today is environmentalist Thida. So, Thida, more and more countries are turning to renewable sources of energy, which are much less harmful to the environment. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, of course. Renewable energy comes from the Earth's natural resources and is not limited and almost impossible to be used up completely. A good example is solar energy from the sun. The sun always shines and we know we will never run out of it. The only disadvantage is that solar panels, which are used to trap sunlight, can be very expensive.
I see. Can you tell us more about the other renewable sources of energy? What is hydroelectric energy?
This is energy produced from water. To do this, dams are built to collect water and then it flows through turbines to generate electricity. Hydroelectric power doesn't cause pollution, but the problem is some rivers and waterways are disrupted. This means fish and other animals found in the water might die out.
Do you think people have come up with a better solution by using wind energy?
Wind energy is certainly a very clean source of energy. Windmills are used to collect the power of the wind. China is currently leading the way and has installed more windmills than any other country in the world. However, one of the drawbacks is that wind farms are often built away from the city where electricity is most needed. Windmills can be noisy too.
And how does ocean thermal energy work?
Ocean thermal energy is pretty new, and scientists still have a lot of research to do to understand how we can use our oceans as a source of energy. Here, tides are used to generate electricity. Tides are created by the Earth's rotation and gravity of the moon. Obviously, this is also a very good source of energy, as much of the Earth's surface is covered by water. However, those who live near oceans can benefit more from this. The amount of energy produced will also depend on weather conditions. So we can't say for sure how much energy will be generated day by day.
Thank you, Thida. Which renewable source do you think is the best and most efficient?
In countries like Cambodia, where it's sunny most of the year, I think the best alternative source of energy is solar energy. But we have to remember that different methods work best in different countries. What's important is that we continue to look after our environment.
Thank you once again, Thida. That is all we have time for. Next week, we will be talking about
Unit 10, Part A, Activity 3B. Listen again and write the missing words. Unit 10, Part A, Activity 3C. Listen again. complete the table in your notebook with the advantages and disadvantages of each energy source.